Good evening. I'm coming to you from Jacksonville. We're actually at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Jacksonville Airport. This location is called. We're actually here for 2 nights. This place has some mixed reviews, but some of the bad reviews to me, when I was looking at them online, don't seem like they're fair. We'll be the judge of what this place is. You're going to want to stick around and see what our final thoughts are on this hotel and see what this hotel has to offer. So come on, let's go get checked in. Let's go make some memories.
Here's the sitting area, breakfast area in the morning. They have a coffee station here as well. Plenty of stuff. Yep. I'll be getting some later, you know me. We'll show you the breakfast area in the morning too. The lobby here, we're waiting for somebody to check in. They have a market here on the left-hand side. Sweet shop, it's open 24 hours. You can buy snacks, they add them to your hotel stay. Not many options, but there is some options. Even fabric softener and stuff that you might need. We're still waiting. So, negative number 1.
Alright, so here's the fitness center, hours 6 to midnight. Key card access only. Alright. I had read online that the fitness center was tiny, and it is. There's a treadmill, stair climber, a weight bench, and an actual Peloton though. I don't know if it's on, but there is a Peloton. So if you have that access, I guess you could use it. They've got a water machine in here with a few cups. Looks like they have hot and cold water, filtered. They do offer you earbuds to plug into the machines. Disposable earbuds are provided. So you can listen to something on the machines, because machines have TV screens. They've got balls in here. Giant bowl. Ah! Plenty of free weights, ranging from 5 pounds all the way up to 40. Oh my god. It's been a long day. But yeah, this is a towel rack. You put your dirty towels in there, your trash on that side. There's a clock in here too. You see it's just about 6:30. It's nice to actually check into a hotel early for once. And then just past the exercise room there's a few staterooms down here. There's water fountains there. There's a women's room here. I'm guessing the men's. Is the men's here? Yeah, there's the men's. Okay. And then walking back this way, there's mechanical rooms, maintenance, electrical. But there's also like some concourse rooms. See, like Concourse B, and then there's a Concourse A here too. So those are like meeting rooms, which is nice. Breakfast area, breakfast is from 6 to 10. We'll show you that a little bit better in the morning. We are here for a couple of nights, so we'll get a couple of chances to show you stuff in here. Don't know how well this is going to show up at nighttime. Here's our hotel here. And right next door, literally, Spring Hill and Suites. All along this road here, this is the road to the airport, there are hotels, restaurants. Literally, the building that's right here is a Longhorn Steakhouse. You can walk there and be there in literally like 2 minutes. Over in this direction, there's a Zaxby's. Next to that, there's a flight 747, like a 747. They have a bar there, and like a bar and a lounge, has food and drinks. Not sure about the reviews on that one. I think tonight we may walk to Zaxby's, because Longhorn, I'm not a fan of Longhorn. Last time I ate at a Longhorn, I got really sick, and so did my daughter. We'll probably not go there at all on this trip, so we'll probably walk to Zaxby's tonight, and then it's off to do some exploring in the Jacksonville area tomorrow.
Please drop wet towels inside a basket. So, and then here's more ice. This is in the lobby. Right next to the elevators is the pool. I doubt that it's heated.
I dare you to touch the water. There's a hot tub there. I didn't bring my bathing suit.
Aw, there's a hot tub. I would have got in it for it. I would have maybe gotten in it too.
A hot tub on a cold day is good.
Nope, not heated.
Ain't no way.
Not freezing though, not heated though. Let's see how this one feels. because I don't know if it's actually on yet. Oh, feels warmer. Yep, definitely warm. That one feels good.
Oh, when you turn it on, it probably gets hot.
Yeah, but that one feels good as is, to be honest with you. So it's hard to see, but there are plenty of like lounging chairs and tables in the corners and plenty of chairs. And the temperature currently is 62 degrees, but it will drop to 20s tomorrow. So it's gonna get cold. And right now I wouldn't even jump into this pool right now, but definitely would have been nice if I could have hopped in there for a little bit. The back parking is completely empty, so the hotel's not as full as we thought it might be. All right, so this way to the right is the laundry. Let's go check that out. It says guest laundry right here. 6 a.m. to midnight. Okay. So they don't want us to go in. Let me try again. Nope. Okay, so the hours are 6 a.m. to midnight, but they are locked. It keeps saying us spread, and everything else let us in. So anyway, that's what it looks like. I don't know why we can't get in. Maintenance, nope. And a couple of rooms, I guess. Too bad if we wanted to do laundry, we couldn't.
Nope.
Luckily, we're only here for 2 days. This door will lock at all times. So this is just the parking on the other side. There's nothing here. Maybe a smoking area. Oh, some sanitizer on the door. Wait, I'll always check it. I'll always check. No. And that is the end of the downstairs. So we are on floor 5. There is the ice dispenser right off the elevator. No vending machine. A garbage can right here. Oops, sorry. Then we are 512, so we are going to the right. Oh, right here. Easy peasy. 512. Something noisy all around us. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, straight into the bathroom, huh? Right, okay, so let me close the door. That's really loud. The maximum room rate is $199. Like some people said, there is a lot of wear and tear on it. It's an older hotel, but it smells clean, and yeah, it's some wear and tear, but it looks cleanish, stained, but not a big deal. Overall, it looks clean. That's what matters to me the most. And even if it was remodeled, they do have a shower mat there too, which you don't see anymore, so that's kind of cool to see. Overall, I would say it looks really clean. Like I said, with the wear and tear, but there are towels. They gave us extra towels because we like them. So there's this full-length closet next to the bathroom, and it does say open on this side. Okay, there's extra like duvet or blanket or something, and then there's the ironing board and the iron, and there some hangers and the thing for our suitcase, which we might have to bring out. Sorry, I know it's dark, but all right. And then we have our 2 queen beds, and it does have this shelf space here. I have to check for cleanliness. I won't speak on that. I'll share that with you if I did find something extremely gross when I do my checking, but looks pretty clean everywhere I've looked so far. Bed looks good so far on this side. Sheets look clean. Headboard looks pretty clean, except whatever that might be, but I'll double check all that. So then on this side, so that one's a tough one. Oh my goodness, this one's tucked in tight. This one needs a little extra checking with that tightness. Oh my goodness. This one looks good as well. We are here tonight, so it's definitely important that it is a very clean, and it looks very clean. So wear and tear, that doesn't bother me too much. Let's see. Outside our window is the parking Longhorn and lots of other hotels that are right surrounding this airport. Then we have the wastebasket, the light here, which is controlled by the switch. Another mirror. We have this mini fridge right here. Let me see. Oh God, they're so hard to open sometimes. I'm gonna have to check if it's cold. It does look like it works. It is on the highest setting already. Another shelving unit down here. I wish we had more light. I don't see more light in this area, so I think this is it. So it's really hard to see. I'm sorry about that. But microwave, again, looks clean. And over here, just some good shelving space. And then underneath this area here, they have our little coffee maker. And they have some chairs or some sitting, like little tables, and our ice bucket and extra cups.
Right.
Good morning, everyone. So we are about to leave the hotel, and I just wanted to give our thoughts on the hotel. The one thing I did not like, I'll just start with the dislikes, I guess, it would be that the toilet tends to like bounce back some water sometimes, which is gross when you flush. My daughter compared it to a Japanese toilet. Also, there was no body wash. We ended up just going out to the Walmart that was thankfully nearby, and we bought a body wash for us to use for the 2 nights. This table here, it was sliding out the whole time, so I had to get creative and just wedge something in there. Overall, the room seems dark too. I noticed it's harder to apply makeup and stuff like that when it's so dark in here, and I just don't like that gloominess of it. But that's just a preference, not a big deal. All in all, yeah, it does show wear and tear of the hotel, but it's kept up. I mean, I wasn't only one spot I found where it was like they had completely missed it and it was gross. God only knows for how long. But I did clean that. But everywhere else I did check, everything looked clean. So that was good. The AC works fine. Didn't always figure it out how to keep it going so that it didn't the lack of noise didn't bug us. But breakfast was really good. Wouldn't complain about that. I didn't find it as limited as some other places compared to other hotels of similar value, of similar status, of similar stars. I feel like this one was better. Like I wouldn't like from the worst ones I've been to. I mean, this was good. It was just a little outdated and it had some issues, but nothing that was too major for me. Beds overall were comfortable, pillows a little lumpy. The area, somebody complained about how far away everything was. So yeah, it is a little tricky to get in here because it's like a side road off the main road, so you have to make sure you don't miss it or you have to go really far to come back around. But right around the corner, like literally less like a mile, less than a mile, there's like a whole shopping center with everything from food to stores, to shopping, to grocery stores. So like it's really nice and it's all new. So I don't know, that wasn't an old review either, so I don't know what they were upset about. I don't know if they wanted something right next door. Right across the street is the Longhorn, not across the street, right there across the parking. So something nearby in the Zaxby's as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review.